Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this week's edition of Socially Distanced Safety. Hopefully everybody had a good 4th of July, and this Monday finds everybody who is at work in good spirits, well hydrated, with still good hearing from using your ear protection over the weekend, and all their fingers still attached. So we really do hope everybody got the opportunity to enjoy time with their friends and family, and we're excited to have you back at work. As you get started this week, I wanted to give a quick safety update. Got a lot of good feedback last week about a little bit shorter of a video, so we will try again. And I see I'm already about 40 seconds into it, so better get moving. As far as our COVID update for the week, it's the week after 4th of July, which everybody in the Pacific Northwest tends to know. That means it's going to start getting warmer. It always, seems to kind of stay down, and then the temperatures start increasing. As temperatures start to go up, masks, we need to make sure that we're still wearing them, that we're still wearing all of our gear. But again, please make sure that you are remaining conscious of hydration, looking out for one another, finding opportunities to get hydrated, taking moments out to go rest in the shade, and finding areas off by yourself if you need to remove that mask for a second to maybe get a breath of fresh air. To continue to adhere to the standards, and we're again so grateful for everybody doing that. But also, please make sure that you are taking time to hydrate, keeping yourself cool. Supervisors and really everybody, please look out for your team members. If somebody looks like they might be suffering the effects of the heat, talk to them. Make sure that somebody's staying with them and let them cool down a bit before they get back to work. Especially a week after this, where again, maybe, even though we hope otherwise, maybe everybody didn't quite stay as hydrated or hydrate with the right substances over the weekend to make their bodies in top peak performance here early in the week. So please look out for one another as we get going, and make sure we're doing everything we can to keep everybody safe and healthy on the job site. Other standards that we want to make sure that we're continuing to look at would be, as we want to focus on our fall protection when we're on site. There are still many hazards out here when it comes to falls. Anything over 4 feet, we need to make sure that we have guardrails up. We need to try to make sure that those are marked appropriately. If there, for some reason, were to be tape left up, and that would be, need to be kept 15 feet back. If for some reason we can't have the guardrail up or some type of marker with the appropriate distance, then we need to switch to fall protection methods for anybody who's in those areas and may be exposed to that fall hazard. Need to make sure that we are trained properly, we have the right gear, and then it's been inspected. Anything like that that's taking place that needs to be completed on a pre-task plan and needs to be submitted to Andersen prior to that work taking place. It doesn't matter if it's the 50th day in the row that you're doing that or the first time that you've done it in 2 years. We need to make sure we're reviewing that all team members are properly trained and the equipment has been inspected appropriately before we start doing any of that work. When it comes to falls and really any hazard out here, we cannot get complacent. We can't just take for granted that we've done it before or we know how it should be done. Please make sure you're taking a look at all of your equipment, all of your gear. That goes from everything from ladders to harnesses to anchor points and self-retracting lifelines, whatever that might be. Make sure you're using the appropriate tool for the task and that you've evaluated all the hazards correctly before you proceed with doing any work. We're always so grateful that you guys do come to us for help. If you're not sure of how to proceed with something, or you're not sure how to, ensure your crew's safety, not sure where to get training, whatever that might be, talk to us. We have a great deal of resources, and we're happy to provide those. Please let us know. It's literally what we're here for, is to help make you successful. So please contact us. Let us know if you have any questions. Hope you have a great week, and we're excited to have you back out here. Thank you, guys.